This is an engine air filter, cabin air filter, and hybrid battery air filter. So I will put all this part in the link in the description below. Hey guys, welcome back to the Easy Loader channel. Yeah, today I will change a engine air filter and a cabin air filter. 2020 Toyota Prius. It should be a quick job, and then it should save you like a easy $100 from a dealership. Alright, so first open the hood. Should be this one. Oh, right here. Yep, so here the hood latch. And here the hood prop. I'm going to put the hood prop there. For the hood latch, you just need to like push it up this way. It's kind of like on the side of on the driver's side of the Toyota logo. Alright, the air filter is underneath here. Oh, before remove the filter, make sure put the key far away from the car, because I don't want to bump into it and accidentally start the vehicle. Yeah, for the engine air filter, I usually change it every like 10,000 miles. So that's me. Probably you need to go back and look at the user manual. I'm going to use like a Denso, and here's the part number. I will leave the link in the description below. This job should be pretty straightforward. Like here's two clip, and then just lift it up. But be careful, because like the MAF sensor is still there, so you don't want to go too far. And then like slightly pull it that way, and then lift it up. And now here's the filter. Double check, make sure like it's not horrible dusty inside. It looks good, but like I will still use a sharp vac to clean it. Let's take out the new one. Alright, put it side by side, make sure it's the same. Well, the filter element look a little bit different, but size-wise they're the same. And then install, just reverse the process. This size on the top, going in first. Make sure seat flush. Just make sure like this one and that one going in to this tab first. You might need to wiggle and push in a little bit. Right, now I think it's all the way in. Yeah, same thing on that side. So now so everything seems to line up, and everything's lined up here too. So now I can just like push the clip back on. All right, that's it. So air filter is done for the engine. Let's go into the passenger side and change the cabin air filter. Alright, so for the cabin air filter, it's on the passenger side. Front. Inside it's behind this glove box. So just open the glove box, just clean it up, and then here have a damper. You need to like separate it from the glove box. Yep. So I probably just like squish this plastic piece, and then another finger just like push this out, push this lever that way. Alright, like that. And then you can push it up a little bit, so make sure it's like a disconnect. And now I can squish this end and this end, the glove box will just drop like that. Yeah, when I do install, just make sure I got the bottom of the glove box, like this 2-tab, it line up this 2 slot here, and this 2-tab is lined up to this 2 slot there. So the cabin air filter is behind this cover. So I believe I just need to squish these 2 plastic tab and then pour it to me, and then just slide it out. And on the cover, it say up, so the air flow is going that way. Alright, so make sure I can slide it out. And this tray also have up, so, and here's the filter. It looks pretty clean inside. Alright, and that's the filter I'm going to use. It's also Denso. I will put this part in the link in the description below. Make sure it's the same size before I open up the... seems like it. And... oh, here's the arrow. So, okay. So let's remove the old one. Alright, move like this. And here's like the up arrow. Wow, I think this thing like way overdue. Look at the new one and the old one. Like, so arrow point up. So should be go in like this. And then here's the bottom. Okay, I think that's it. And then make sure, okay, so the arrow is on the filter, is matching the arrow on this tray. Now let's do the install. Just slide in and then keep the arrow up. Nothing wrong, just go in pretty easy. And now here's the cover. Make sure the arrows also go point it up, and this end should be just slide in. Yeah, so slide in. This pin going to this slot, this pin go to this slot, and then this end probably just squish the tab and push it in. That's it. And now let's install the glove box back. So, yeah, it's just like this side ended to here, and this side going to here. I see that I hear the click, and then just push it up. Now I hold, and now I install the damper arm. So I pull the damper arm a little bit. I pull down the damper arm a little bit, and then make sure it's aligned back to the hole. Alright, it's in. Now just try to make sure the damper is working. Alright, it is. So I can put the stuff back, close it. The cabin air filter is done. Now change the hybrid battery air filter. It is located on the rear passenger side seat. Here's the intake van, and I believe it should have one screw here. It feels like a plastic screw. Alright. Let's get a Phillips. Oh, so it's two-piece. So we have a clip, and then the plastic screw is like a screw in there. And now let's use this like a plastic trim removal tool. Alright. Oh, and here's the filter. Alright, so here's the inlet cover to the hyperbaric blower, and the filters here. So now I can, well, before I take this out, make sure the one I bought is almost identical. I think so. Oh, I need to take out this. And probably one more here. Just need to crack open. That's it. Yeah, it seems like it. Everything seems identical. Okay. So wow, that one probably did not change for a while. Let me dust off those like a little dust, and then come back. I will install this like a new filter. It's clean. Now I can install this. Let's see. Here's the flat side. Here's the concave side. Okay, everything's go like this. It's just installed to the hook. And now make sure those spiky things is in between the air filter the filter element. Yeah, if not, it will not sit flush. And the play around, yeah, something like that. Like so now it sits flush. Yeah, same thing on another side. Make sure like the plastic spiky thing is like in between the filter element. Right, so both sides sit flush. And now the last step is make sure this end, yep, is hooked up to this plastic piece right there. Before I do the install, I want to make sure the fan is clean. Alright, so let's take a quick look. It looks pretty clean. Okay. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. It looks like a big chunk of debris inside. Alright, now let's install the. Now I can put the filter and the cover back. Alright, so filter still here, and yeah, this two plastic go into here and here. Alright, and now I can install this plastic screw back. Push up the pin. I think that's it. That's it, guys. That's how you replace the engine air filter the cabin air filter and the hybrid battery air filter on a Gen 4 Toyota Prius. This one is like a model year 2020, I believe. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for all the support. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.